Hello, and thanks for watching this quick video tutorial. We should get this done in about 3 minutes, so please watch. Today we are going to speak about the VA IRRRL, which is known as the VA Streamline, and the funding fee. So let's try to figure out who has to pay the funding fee and why. Number one, what is the VA funding fee? The VA funding fee is a fee that is paid directly to the Department of Veterans Affairs. Doesn't come to low VA rates, doesn't go to your bank, it doesn't go anywhere else other than the Department of Veterans Affairs. Now, this is a fee that is used to fund the insurance, for lack of a better term. It's not necessarily insurance, but these funds go into a coffer, let's say, or a piggy bank, and then the VA uses these funds to help backstop or guarantee the performance of VA mortgages or VA loans. We'll talk about that a little bit more on the next slide. This fee is going to range anywhere from 0.5 or 0.5% to 3.3% of the amount of money you're borrowing or of your loan amount. So who pays the VA funding fee? The VA funding fee is paid by anyone getting a VA loan that is not exempt from paying it. Now you might say, well, that's great. Who's exempt? Well, those who have a service-connected disability are generally exempt from the funding fee. There are very, very minor cases where someone with a service-connected disability may still have to pay the funding fee, but it's once in a blue moon. So if you are receiving VA disability from a service-connected injury or illness, the chances are you will not pay the VA funding fee. Now, here's how the VA funding fee works. As I mentioned, on a Streamline or an IRRRL, it is 0.5% of your loan amount. So if you're borrowing $100,000, you're going to be charged a $500 VA funding fee. Now, this is substantially less than it was when you bought your home. When you bought your home, it could have been anywhere between 2 to 3% or more, depending on whether or not you put money down and whether or not you had done a VA loan in the past. But for this little video, understand the least amount of money ever charged for a VA funding fee is a VA Streamline refinance. And it's less because the VA already received a large amount of money when you went and bought your home. So if somebody bought a home for $300,000 is what they borrowed, they probably paid around $9,000 or $6,000 to $9,000 for a VA funding fee. Interest rates dropped, and as we've spoken on an IRRRL, you take advantage of lower interest rates. The VA is going to charge you a fee, but it is going to be substantially reduced than what you paid them the first time around. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Very simple. We thank you for watching. If you have any other questions regarding the VA funding fee or the VA IRRRL or Streamline, please give us a call at the number on your screen or check us out online.